Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to explain what a printable file is and how you can use it. So, a printable file is simply a file that you can print. Thanks for watching. Just kidding. I would never leave you hanging like that. Basically, yes. A printable is a digital file that you can purchase and download and then print as many times as you need. Printable files are great because you have access to them almost immediately after you purchase. In this video, I want to take some time to go over what a printable means and how you can use it. If you're shopping on Etsy for the first time, you may see a lot of shops that offer printable files. This is a really amazing option for both the designer and the customer. For the designer, you can create items and save them so that when a customer purchases the file, they can simply download and print. And for the customer, it is great because you don't have to waste time waiting for your package to arrive in the mail. And printables are usually significantly less expensive than standard printed items. Another option you may see on Etsy are the editable printable templates. Say that quickly. Editable printable template. Editable printable template. Editable. Another option you might find on Etsy are the editable printable templates. These are templates that designers create so customers can easily download and type in their own information, then print. There are a few different ways to do this, and each designer on Etsy has things set up in their own way. So be sure to read the item description before purchasing. At Creative Union Design, we have all of our files created as PDFs, and they can be edited using the free program Adobe Acrobat Reader. Adobe Reader is a free program that's really easy to use, and if you decide to purchase one of our templates, we have a great video that can walk you through how to edit. If you would like to see the video on how to edit a PDF, I'm going to put a link up here, so just click that and it'll take you right over to how to edit the PDF. Let's say, for example, you're looking for a unique wedding program. You want something that isn't basic, but something that's really unique and that your guests are going to remember. You can search around on wedding websites that print them for you, but a lot of them are pretty expensive. Eventually, you're going to make your way over to Etsy, and you're going to find an explosion of wedding programs. All shapes, all sizes, rustic, modern, minimal, so all you have to do now is search for unique wedding programs. And there it is, our newspaper program. And now you know that that's the one. I can tell you have great taste. You can simply purchase this, and within a few minutes, you will receive a link so that you can download your file. Click the link, go into Etsy, and simply download the file to your computer. You can easily print at home or take the file to a local copy center. Once you have found the perfect wedding program, which is of course our newspaper wedding program, you can simply purchase it by clicking the Buy It Now button. And this is going to add the item to your cart. Once you're in your cart, it will prompt you to add a shipping address. You can go ahead and add in your address, but keep in mind that nothing will be mailed to you since this is a digital file purchase. If you made this purchase on a phone or an iPad, you will have to log in on a computer. You won't be able to download the files to a phone or any mobile device, but you are able to download them to a computer. And that goes for editing as well. You won't be able to edit the files on a phone or iPad, but you can edit them on your computer. If you don't receive an email with the link to download, try checking your spam folder first. If you still do not see the email, don't worry. You can simply log into your Etsy account and go to the top right of the Etsy page. There you will see an icon or a photo that says Your Account. If you click on that, you will see a section that says Purchases and Reviews. Simply click there and you will see your recent purchases and you will see the download button. The download button will not appear on a phone or mobile device. It will only appear when you are logged in on a computer. Thank you for watching our video on explaining what a printable is. If you have any questions or would like to see me make any videos to help you, please leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in printables, our Etsy shop is filled with them. But if you're interested in finding something that you can have printed and shipped directly to your door, you might want to check out our Zazzle shop. Please be sure to check out our website for tons of ideas for your next event.